Okay, we're going to the third period, third quarter. Official score at 33-23. Dito na tayo magkakalaman sa ating second half. Uy, hindi ka mapagawan. Salazar, Guarzon, bounce pass. Paras, Galano, Tan, Kusam, spin, umatake, wala, Somchi, wala pa rin, rebound, uy, and out of bounds. Wala rito ng Maris. Oh, steal. Guarzon. Paras to Guarzon. Guarzon from elbow 3. No good. Rebound ng Maris. Number 21, umatake, wala, rebound. Makuha ni Kalanatan. Hindi kang pa makuha. Let's go. Salazar to Kalanatan. Back to Salazar. Salazar, kick out. Kalanatan for 3, no good. Somchi. Fade away shot, no good. Kalanatan. And that's at 24 seconds. Ayun na. Number 21. Nasa corner, 4-3. Short, rebound by Galanatan. Bote. Galanatan to Somchi. Somchi and gets the foul for Samuel Somchi. Ay, alam mo. Time remaining 7 minutes and 18 seconds. Second shot is good. (24-33). Number 23. Kick out. 4-3. Wala. Number 23, 4-2, no good. Kick out, libre sa 3, pick. Umatake and gets the foul. Two shots. That's good. Second shot, basket. 35-24. Somchi, Galanatan. Paras, no good. Rebound. Somchi, basket. Substitution. Simple and Guerzon coming in for Salazar and Paras. Here comes Maris, crossover. Go pick up, block by Guerzon. Makuha. Out the pass, one-on-one. Galanatan, and there's a foul. 2 shots for Galanatan. It's good. Two for two. 35-28. The time remaining 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Bola ng Maris. Hand off. Number 10. Bounce pass at the post. Number 4. Kick out. Cross-court pass. Bad pass nga lang yun. Good defense for LaSalle. Guerzon, bounce pass. Essomchi, no good. Another rebound. Essomchi, too strong. Rebound by Galanatan. Kick out for 3. Oy, no good. Rebound by Simple. Nakuha ng Maris. Number 10. Hand off. Number 23 to number 4. Up and under basket. 37-28. Balik sa Siam ulit ang alamangan ng Maris. Simple pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound ng Maris. Number 10. Gets the 3. Wala. Rebound. Salazar. Pass to Guerzon. Guerzon. Umatake. In and out. Rebound ng Maris. Ayun na. Number 23. Pass number 10. To number 4. Ayun na. Double team. Sino tatanggap? Almost steal. Steal by Simple. Paso Essomchi. Essomchi. Basket is good. Labas sa pitong lamang ng Maris. 37-30. Pass number 27. Pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound. Makuha ni Salazar. Salazar nabitawan. Steal ng Maris. Number 10, binigay. Fake. Number 23, no good. Rebound pa rin ng Maris. Fake, using the glass. Wala pa rin. Number 4 with a rebound. Out of bound. Last touch. Green ball. Time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds. Salazar, pass to Coronel. Uy, Galanatan. Stop and pump. No good. Paras and 1. Basket count. Plus a foul by Sam Paras. Baba na lamang sa 5. Shoutout po kay Ma'am Lixen, ang kanyang mommy na napaka-supportive. Shoutout po sa kay Mrs. Paras and kay Idol Benji, Coach Benji, and kay Papa Bear. Sam Paras on the free throw area for a 3-point play. Ayan na, Sam, basket for a 3-point play. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Bola ng Maris. Pass number 4 to number 12. Number 12 nakalusot. Uy! Basketball. Counted daw po, sabi ng ating official. Or down pa lang pala, sorry. No basket. Time remaining, last 55 seconds. Wala ng Maris. Oh, and that's a backcourt violation. Last 51.5 seconds remaining. 37-33. Lamang pa rin po ang Maris. Let's go, Lasal. Salazar, pass to Coronel. Coronel to Galano Tan. Pass to Paras, naipit. Ayun na ang triple team. Oh, traveling violation. Remaining time, last 39 seconds. Uy, walang tawag. Give and go, number 12. Too strong, rebound. Here comes Salazar, nagmamadali. Salazar with a spin, bumali sa ere. At basket yan for Salazar. 35-37. Mabasa dalawang lamang ng Maris. Ira, number 33, kick out. Umatake, stop and pump, short, rebound, makukuha ni Guerzon. Ay na ang Lasal, outlet pass. Salazar, no good, pero nandun. Sa putback, Galanotan. Tabla na tayo sa 37. And that's the end of our third quarter. It's a buzzer beater for Galanotan. All 37 sa pagtatapos ng third quarter. Alright, tayo dito na sa ating pinaka-exciting part ng game, ang fourth and last quarter. Sino kaya ang mananalo between these two teams? Ang Maris kaya o ang Lasal Green Hills? Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang sa ating pagbalik. Let's go, Animo Lasal! Shoutout muna tayo kay Sir Aaron Acorda, Bien Roy Riodique, and John Fred Mabasa. Yan sa mga idol natin yan. At lagi nakasuporta sa ating live. Please don't forget to like, share, and follow me on Facebook. And sa mga gusto manood ng replay, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bilang ayan, suporta sa ating mga live game tulad nito. Uy, walang tawag. Ay na, nagagawan. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito ng Lasal. Guerzon. Galanotan. Paras. Pass to Esomchi. Basket for Sam Esomchi. change favor. Lamang na tayo dito ng dalawa. Here comes Maris, number 27. Hand off. Number 21, spin move. Umatake, black bike. Bote. Makuha ni Bote. Ayan na si Bote. Nigay. Back to Bote. To Guerzon. Esomchi to Paras. Paras. Fadeaway shot and score. 41-37. In favor pa rin sa ating Lasal. Ayan na, number 10. Umatake, gets the foul. That's a number 9. Guerzon. Remaining time, 8 minutes and 27 seconds. Bola rito ng Maris. Montika na magawan. Last touch. Yellow ball. Number 27. Crossover. Sidestep. Ayan na, nag-aagawan. Makukuha rito ng... Ayan na, nagkakapisikala na sila, mga idol. Number 27. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Bola natin. Ayan na. Galanatan. Pass to Paras. Paras. Kick out. Guerzon. Esomchi to Bote. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Bote. Bote. Hindi guys. Steal ng Maris. Maris tumatakbo, outlet pass, last touch, green ball. Galanatan from elbow 3, no good. Rebound ng Maris. Oh, still. Here comes Galanatan. What an extra pass. Bote in the house. What a smart move for Galanatan. Finding open man si Bote. At dito na po. Time out dito ang Maris. Official score of 45. Oh. Nalagay na ba score? Hindi pa. Nalagay na score? Hindi pa. Okay. 43, tama? 6 minutes and 49 seconds. 43 seconds. Correction. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng Maris. Let's go. Hindi ka na magawan. Number 31, steal by Esomchi. And gets the foul, number 31. Guerzon to Bote. Bote. Pass to Garzon. To Esomchi. Basket. For Sam Esomchi. 37-45. Nakaka-adjust na rin dito ang ating Lasal. Ayun na ang double team. Steal. Almost. Good defense for Paras and Esomchi. Pero last touch doon. Bola mapupunta sa Maris. Ayun na. Kick out number 10 from elbow 3. No good. Rebound ng Maris. Stop and pump. Miss. Rebound by Esomchi. Esomchi to Kalanatan. Kalanatan cross. Fine open mind. Guerzon. May taka na bola. Guerzon. Pass to Bote. Bote sa corner. Pinigay sa gitna. What a cross-court pass. Sa loob. Esomchi. Ganda naman ng timing doon. Esomchi. 47-37. 10 na po ating lamang dito. Ayan na. Uy. There's a foul. Number 28. That is Sam Esomchi. 2 shot para kay number 21. First shot is good. Second shot, basket. 4 minutes and 28 seconds. Guerzon. Kalanatan. Pass to Paras. Sam. Umatake. Gets the foul. Two shots for Sam. Oh, wala pa ba? Let's go. Second shot. Paras. Miss. Number 10. Oh, still. Ayan na, Kalanatan, napitawan. Pass number 27. Oh, naipit. Fade away shot, miss. Rebound ni Paras. Paras to Esomchi. Esomchi, 4 against 1. Against a foul. Time out. Lasal Green Hills. Official score 39-47 with the time remaining 3 minutes and 19 seconds. And shoutout din kay Gavin Del Rosario Enocendes is watching from CSA. Okay, back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 19 seconds. 39-47. Let's go. Oh, Esomchi spin. Fadeaway shot. In and out. Rebound. Oh, steal. Good hustle. Number 10. Ooh. It's a foul. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Fake, stop and pump, no good, rebound. Makuha na Somchi, pass to Guerzon. To Galanatan. At dito na po inuubos ang oras. 2 minutes and 25. Guerzon, 7 seconds to shoot. Bote, umatake, wala, rebound. Yan ang rebound. Balik sa 23 seconds. Shot clock, 14. Ayun na, bola natin. Galanatan ang mag-inbound. Cross-court pass, Guerzon, 4-3, no good. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Bola rito ng Morris, number 27. Up and under. Wala, rebound by Paras. Oopsie, last touch, same ball. 1 minute and 46 seconds. Budak sana yun. Watch finals na po. Good up. Ayan na. Somchi, pass to Galanatan. What a ball movement. Somchi, bote, Paras, fade away shot, miss. Rebound ng Morris. Steal by Guerzon. Pass to Somchi, Sam. To Salazar. Pinasa corner. Paras with a strong move. Basket is good for Sam Paras. 49-39. Natapikan. And out of bounds. Gets a 3. Fake. What a pass. Oh! That was a foul. Two shots para jersey number 27. Shot is good. Time remaining 1 minute and 1 seconds. Second shot miss. Rebound by Somchi. Hold. Somchi Naitawed. Cross court pass. Salazar. Pass to Paras. It's a foul. Remaining time, last 50 seconds. Bote. Hand up to Galanatan. Somchi from elbow 3. Wala. Iba ng Morris. Morris tumatakbo, number 10. Ooh, block by Paras. Jeep. Last 34 seconds. No good. Second shot, basket. 49-41. Lubos na lamang ang oras. Galano, Quarzon. Still ang Morris. Number 30. Ooh! That's a foul. Remaining time, last 10.7 seconds. Time out. Official score 43-49. Last 10 seconds. Foul. Tabasa 6 ang lamang ng Lasal. Foul. Last 4 seconds. Somchi. First shot is good. Wala. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating laban. End of the game. Congratulations and nice game from both team. Nice game for Maris and congratulations to the winning team, Lasal Green Hills. Our final score 50-43 sa magtatapos ng ating laban. Congrats to our Lasal Green Hills. Alright, muli maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood, especially to Lasal Green Hills, to all the parents. And maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Hanggang sa muli, magkita-kita po tayo sa ating next live. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations, Lasal Green Hills.